between the confluence core and the machine barrel, and then move away the confluence core with crane. Attention! The sling shall avoid the wire holder of the heating control line for the confluence core. Turn on the motor of the main machine so as to clean up all the materials remaining inside the machine barrel. Disassemble the feeding device and the circulating cooling water pipe. Dismantle the discharging port of the feeding device. Dismantle the connecting plug between the screw and the high-speed shaft of the gearbox. Loosen the large connecting nut between the machine barrel and the gearbox. Dismantle the fixing seat for the cooling fan. Remove the metal hose for vacuuming. Remove the machine barrel front to back, adjusting hand wheel clockwise so as to separate the machine barrel from the gearbox. Use a crane to move out the machine barrel with rotation until the passing in/out of the screw is not affected. Remove the fixing plug to prevent the screw from falling back. Pull the screw out of the machine barrel slightly, and then take down the gasket for gap adjustment and the backflow prevention stop block.
拔出来的。烫血烫。
我那已经把开着的。
好交给。
我也是那里一个白开。
屁啊！等着我他妈走近了，我弄来了。
烫完来的。那骨头贴在那了。
这
Install the screw into the machine barrel by 2/3 of its length according to the original position. Attention! During the installation process, try to avoid any collision between these two pieces of screws. Rotate the screws to make the stem coating on their connecting shafts face to each other, and then push both of them together into the machine barrel. Install the gasket for gap adjustment and the backflow prevention stop block. Mount the fixing block to prevent the screw from falling back. Move the machine barrel with rotation with a crane to make it the connecting shaft for the screw in line with the high-speed shaft of the gearbox. Meanwhile, confirm that the key groove of the connecting shaft for the screw shall correspond to that of the gearbox's high-speed shaft. Rotate the machine barrel front to back, adjusting hand wheel anti-clockwise, so as to make the machine barrel's screw close to the gearbox's high-speed shaft. Tighten the big connecting knot between the machine barrel and the gearbox. Observe with the dial indicator and then adjust the screw's front to back gap. Install the connecting plug between the screw and the high-speed shaft of the gearbox. Mount both the discharging port of the feeding device and the circulating cooling water pipe. Install the feeding device. Install the metal hose for vacuuming and then tighten them by using a pipe wrench. Mount the fixing seat for the cooling fan. Install the confluence core. First, install the positioning hole of the confluence core and the positioning pin on the machine barrel in place, and then mount the connecting block. After that, lock the screws. While locking these screws, use a copper to tap the connecting block.